Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Krita and picking the layer you want to change. Select the paint or vector layer. If you need solid fills, use a fill layer. Once selected, make sure layer visibility is on and lock transparency when you only want to recolor painted pixels. Next, set the layer as your working target in the layer's docker so edits won't affect other layers. Finally, choose a brush or the fill tool now. This gets you into the first actionable steps quickly and accurately. You now pick the actual recolor method based on the artwork. For broad shifts, add a colorize mask or a colorize layer and paint where needed. For exact fills, use the fill tool with a tolerance setting. Once done, change the layer blending mode, try color or overlay, and lower opacity to taste. Make sure to use select by color when isolation is required, then refine edges with a soft brush. This sequence gives you control over how color replaces or blends with your original pixels. You finish by inspecting the result at 100% zoom and making final tweaks. If satisfied, group or merge layers while keeping a duplicate backup for non-destructive editing. Use filters adjust hue saturation or the levels tool to polish contrast and vibrance. If colors look off, make sure your document color profile matches your display, verify layer opacity and blending mode, and undo to the previous state if needed. If problems persist, reset the tool options or toggle lock transparency to correct stubborn areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.